Hi, my name's Marty Englander and I create virtual DIY tutorials for small, medium-sized business owners or anyone who's just looking to save some money by doing it themselves online. So if you are into that sort of stuff and you want to keep on learning how to do things online, make sure you hit the subscribe button under this video. In today's video, I'm going to be finally showing you all Elementor users how to add a script into an Elementor page, how to add a JavaScript piece of code into an Elementor page without it breaking your whole site. So if you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned. So for a very long time, I have been struggling to add some sort of script or JavaScript code into Elementor, and well, it's probably taken me quite some time because I've not really been looking into it that much, but now I actually needed to because I've started using a new tracking software which is really good, and I need to place this code into an Elementor page. I'll leave a link in the description for this tracking software. It's really good. I highly recommend it. But so the question is how to do it. Well, I use a free plugin called CSS and JavaScript Toolbox, and if you head over to your WordPress plugin dashboard, you want to type in JavaScript Toolbox, and what you'll see is you'll get this plugin here. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and activate it. Once you've activated it, you're going to be able to go over here. So what you can see, you will actually have a blank canvas, but these are all the tracking codes that I currently have in my Elementor template. And what you can see is you've got a whole, you can create new code blocks. So for example, here's my campaign. This is the code that I want to put into Elementor page, and all you need to do is go ahead, copy the script just like so, head over here, create a new block, put in the name. So I'm just going to do something like put in the name. The name can be anything that you want. Tick the activate button and then it will go where you want it, so either in the header or the footer. In my case, I'm going to put it in the header, and you can choose what block you want, but we're just going to leave it at first block. Go ahead and click create. Now what you'll see is that we've got the empty block there, and all we need to do is copy and paste your tracking code into that. And then on the right hand side you'll see page, post, category. Well, I want to put it into a page, so you can see right here I just simply choose which page I put it in and press home. Okay, and then you click save. Actually, I'm just going to do home education. Here we go, and then click save. And then if you have a security plugin like WordFence, for example, which I highly recommend, and I've actually got another video going through my 5 top favorite WordPress non-techie plugins. I'll leave a link in the description. What you're going to want to do is just whitelist this action, okay, and then go ahead and click save again, and that, once it's saved, that's now been added into that page. Okay, and if you want to check how to do it, well, all you need to do is go over to the website, right click, view page source, and go ahead and type in something like well, whatever strings is in the code that you've just added. So for me it's going to be Clickmagick, and you can see right here that's the code, and it's all there and it should be working. Make sure you test it and everything, but that is how you can add your scripts into an Elementor page without breaking your website. If you have any questions or you want to know a little bit more about Clickmagick, go ahead and leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up.